Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove the watermark or text from videos step by step. If you are searching for the method to remove watermarks or texts from video, here's the best solution for you. So let's go. The first method is we can use AfterEffext to remove watermarks from video. So first open it and then input the video and drag the video to the workplace. Select the rectangle tool and frame the watermark. It will automatically generate a mask. Change the mask effect as subtract. Select the window on the toolbar and choose Content Aware, Fill. Adjust the alpha expansion to 6. Select the fill blend as Edge Blend, and then click the Generate Fill layer. It will automatically analyzing the watermark area. It may take some time. Just be patient. Okay, here you can see there is a blurry rectangle area to cover the watermark. It works, but there are still some traces. But if your computer can't run AE, or your computer will be very slow when using AE, you can try another AI watermark remover tool. HitPaw VikPea. It's easy to download and use. The free download link is put on the description. Download and launch it. We go to the toolbox and find the watermark removal and import the same video with watermark. And then you can see there is a frame. We adjust the frame to cover the watermark area and click the preview button to have a preview for 60 frames. Just wait a second for the AI analysis. And you can see the AI technology not only covers the watermark with blur effects, but also fills in the watermark part frame by analyzing the video, making the watermark part more natural. Here you can see the differences between the two different tools.